Thank you for your interest in our Multiplex Assay Services. This tutorial will show you how to use this page to select a panel, probably under 10 minutes. All right, so you want to start here to look at all the panels are listed here. As you see, the My Cart section will follow you around. What you want to do is to start by either searching for the panels that you want, for the biomarker that you want. For example, let's say if I want something IL-2. As you type, it will show you things that contain IL-2. Right? A good way to highlight the thing IL-2 on this would be press Control F and typing IL-2, and it'll highlight all the things that contain IL-2 on the page itself. Right? Let's see if I want something like IL-22. This will search it CXCL 3. So we'll search it. This is the first function, right? Searching by biomarker. The second function is you can filter by species, human, mouse, rat, and all others. So when you select that, it will show you only the species of your interest. Another way you can use the filter to find the panel of your interest is by browsing biomarkers. So when you click the Select Biomarkers button, it will open this panel and show you all the biomarkers that we have arranged in alphabetical order, and you can just browse and see which biomarkers you want. You can click the ones that you want, and these biomarkers will then be added to the list here, and it will keep track of it and see which ones you have covered by the panels that you select. Okay, so let's say if I want something CA125, I click that, and it will automatically search CA125 and find you this one panel that has it. You can click Add to Cart. And for any panels that you've added to cart, it will cross-check with markers of your interest, and it will highlight as green if it is already covered. So you can add so I suggest to use this function to add as many markers as you need. You can also say I want amyloid beta. Let's see, add that. So you can add various panels to the list. You can see all the panels that you've added. Now, after you look through all the biomarkers and added the panels that you want, this next step is to get a quote. Right? If you want to, before go get a quote, let me show you a few more functions. You can add a card, and then you can remove certain biomarkers from it by click this little remove button on the right. And once you have finalized selected the panels and biomarkers of your interest, you can click Get a Quote, and all this information, the selected panels and the biomarkers that are currently not covered by these panels, they're all going to be included here. You can view what biomarkers are included in each panel by mouse over it. May want to double check to make sure that you're not selecting the panel for the wrong species here. All right, and then you put in your name, right? Anna, and I'm just putting some names in here. Phone number, email address, and it's important that if you have any other biomarkers that are not included in the list that we provide, right, not including the panel, nor are they in this list. If you have anything else that you want to cover, just describe them in additional notes. And if you have any special requirements, like if you want to test things in duplicate, triplicate, default is duplicate, or if you need a special requirement of any kind, describe it in the notes, and hit submit, and we will get all the details, and we'll be making a quote to you as soon as we can. Thank you very much for your interest, and should you have any questions, feel free to use the live chat to contact us, or to email us at support@bosterbio.com. Thank you very much.